Mommy, I want lipstick.
Oh, you want lipstick? I can put some lip gloss on your chapstick. Does that sound good? Okay. What are we doing today?
I don't know.
You don't know? We're going to Waimea Canyon. Today's the nicest day since we've been here, and so we're going to make the drive. We're in Poipu now, so it's not going to take nearly as long to get there. It says it takes about an hour, so we're going to drive to Waimea Canyon, dork around. My husband's parents are going to meet us there with their party of people, and then later this afternoon, sorry, I have a bug bite. I've gotten so many bug bites, and so is this kid. Show them your bug bites. Oh my gosh, all over her arm. Show them the other arm. Show them your face. Up. No, look up. Show them your chin. Oh my gosh, everywhere. She even got one on her lip. So I'm scratching. Oh my god. I have the stuff that was in the back seat. It's all the way in the back. Anyway, so we are meeting them there. Should be a really cool day. I can't wait to see the canyon. It's gonna be really beautiful because it's actually clear today. We can actually see stuff. Like today, you can actually see the mountains. Like the tops of the mountains. Every other day we've been here pretty much, it's just the freaking low clouds have blocked everything, and it's just been just gloomy. Like, I didn't leave Seattle to come to this, but this day is making up for everything. So anyway, the last few days here, we're gonna make the best of it. Say peace out.
I can't wait. Peace out.
Good job. Say bye, everyone.
Bye.
Say we'll see you at the canyon.
We'll see you at the canyon.
Oh my gosh. Charlotte! Daddy's not here right now. He's getting coffee inside the resort. There it is. Sheridan. There's Daddy just in time. I was about to turn off the camera. I was telling him where you were.
What's up, people?
Oh wow, Red Bull and biscotti and freaking Starbucks. Well, you know, you come to Hawaii and you get Seattle coffee. All right, you ready for this drive? Ready for some fun?
I'm always ready.
You're always ready?
I'm always ready.
Sweet. All right, peace out. We're going up the mountain, the mountain, the mountain. We're going up the mountain.
Up the hill, here we go.
Well, that was a great song. Sing that again.
Up the hill, here we go.
Are you having fun on this vacation?
Yes.
Yeah. 16 more minutes. Just under 7 miles.
Mommy, my sunglasses are upside down.
What'd you do that for? Turn them around. Goof. Why are you doing that? You look stellar.
Dad, I put them upside down.
That's awesome.
Do it again. Turn them around the right way. Let me see how they're supposed to look. Oh my gosh, you're so cool. What, Grump? Say cheese. Hi. Cheese. In your color changing shirt. There's sister and grandma.
Hi.
She said, are you saying hi to sister and grandma down there? There they are. Say hi, Kim. There they are.
I beat you on the top.
You beat Grandma! Charlotte! What do you see? Do you see the falls over there?
Do you see the waterfall, Adriana?
Yeah.
Is that so beautiful?
Yeah, if we drive way over there, we can see the waterfalls.
Yeah, we can't
come here.
drive in there, honey.
No!
Oh no?
Yeah!
Yeah, that's a long way down. Not where you want to go.
Yeah!
She sees the helicopter.
Maybe. Oh, this is crazy.
Yeah!
Today they're being lost because why? Nobody has a time to share. Aloha, here's your man. Go eat, go watch the show, get out of here, because I gotta get to my house. Basically what's going on today, there's no personal interaction anymore. And that's the reason why I put myself up here to give you guys that opportunity again. Okay? For my outfit here. My helmet and my cape area so that when it was blown, the resonance of the sound would sound out to the next shell blower and so forth. The entire island would know what was happening in less than 2 hours. So to give you guys an idea on how this would work, let's pretend that we all live together in this valley in one of the villages. On this day, I've been everybody would come running home, get their share of food, and after done eating, you go right back. So I basically told everyone, grab your mea kawa, get your butt in gear, meet me at the ocean right now, because we've got some major business to take care of. If I would have forgot my cell phone and the charger on that day, I would have cost us our lives, you guys. Okay? So that's how important these shells are back in the
There it is. That's gonna be us later. I'm stoked.
You see those big waves down there in the water? It's called the Napali coast right down there.
We're heading down from the canyon and the lookout and all that good stuff. We went to overlook the coast as well. Now we're making our way back down, and it's a bunch of curvy, twisty turnies. So here we are. And it looks like the clouds are starting to come in a little, which I hope they don't come down too far so we can still do our helicopter tour. Oh, look at that. Oh, damn you, rain. It is so beautiful coming down. Look at the beach. Oh gosh. Oh my god, it's so